To set up the tap position on the ST unit, you need the following tool: the tap setup gauge provided with the tapping unit, and the technical data book of the tapping unit. Step 1. Remove the tapping head. Using the number 5 Allen wrench, loosen the detachable head. Then remove it and install the head on a flat surface. Step 2. Check the tap position value. Check if the X-top dead center values of the gauge and in the technical data book are matching. Step 3. Set the position of the tap. To set the top dead center position of the tap, install the setup gauge on the head. Then turn the spindle manually until the tip of the tap touches the gauge. Step 4. Install the tapping head. Install the tapping head proceeding reverse apportion from the Step 1.